to make your money work for you.
It's nice, I guess. Yes, girl. Hi guys, so we're at the church site. Yeah, we're building. We are building. We're at the church site. CRC new building will be opened hopefully next year, faithfully. Yes. Next year. So visitors guys, 3,000 seater on the way. It's your drummer bass signing out. Peace. Hi guys. Yeah, we were just by the site. I don't even know if I started the vlog officially, but yeah. Today is the Monday, the 7th of December. So yeah, I think it's the 7th. So day 7 of Vlogmas. And yeah, it's after lunch and we just thought we should come by the church site. Our church building, or we are building. We just want part of it. Yeah, we're building a new church, a 3,000 seater. And yeah, we just came to see the progress and just see how things are going and just be here to consume everything. You know, years from now it'll be a very big church, it'll be open, we'll have new members and visitors and everything, and it'll be exciting. So it's gonna be good to just look back and just know that you're part of it, man, just from the day one that it started till today. So yeah, we're very grateful, we're very hopeful. God is doing amazing things, and yeah, we're excited, so excited.
Hey, there's nothing to say guys. As the YouTuber said, we're building for generations to come.
Yeah,
so
with my kids and the kids
yeah,
and the kids and my kids. So yeah, peace out.
What I'm gonna cook guys, I can't in case I not drink coke.
Honestly,
Impossible.
I feel like it's also no combo.
Combo is serious. Guys, no, I can't. So we're just here waiting to hear what they're saying. But I don't see myself doing that.
That's not possible. Honestly. 11 pula 9, 10 pula 9, 04. Every Monday. I don't know for how long. So obviously.
Are you sexy? You don't.
You choose sexy. Let's see.
But when I'm local munchies. What's our name? I'm tired of your hair. Wait for a second. It's here, baby.
No, it's a gold though. It's beautiful.
Yeah. It's here, sweetie. It's here. You know us when Coke is here.
Bye 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 bye. Just
not a pattern now, people. Now you know I don't care. Please guys, do the things. Do the things. Your girl's supposed to see all the time.
every day, addiction.
It is an addiction.
I'm addicted.
Hey guys, please subscribe, comment, share, like, subscribe. Let's get to 1K subscribers and we'll have a giveaway.
Hey.
Yes.
Yeah, but on a win.
That's sorry, kiss me no
So do share. We will we'll be having a giveaway.
And to subscribe.
And I cannot emphasize, please share, guys. We need that 1K.
Wow,
For his glory. Comment down below what you'd like for the 1K giveaway. Yeah.
The one, the
that's
most person
budget
that shared.
No, I think I'm just gonna use like a raffle thing.
No, okay.
Like just take all the names to do and maybe it was.
For the giveaway, we could do like nails,
you're
we could be your
exempted.
laundry done for free. You get a free handbag.
You're exempted, Tapilo. You're exempted from the giveaway.
Hey, I'm not.
You are. Oh.
Yeah, maybe I could
Free
include
laundry.
like. Yeah,
Full services around you. I get.
yeah.
You have your laundry done. You have your nails.
Or maybe
done.
you have like 2 things. Like 2
Prizes.
winners. Yeah.
2 winners. Africa, you know? Africa looks beautiful. Guys, Nasi just asked me to be her babe. Nasi, my answer is...
What is your answer? Maybe we got built on 400.
Yeah.
What's your answer?
To the Be My Bae. What do you guys say? It's not you, it's me. It's not you, it's me. That's my answer. Stay abroad, they say.
Stop it. They don't have any of these things over going.
And when they leave,
Good morning. Hey. Good morning, guys. Today is Tuesday and it's early morning. We are heading to Driver Bay's house to pick her up, to take her to the airport because she's traveling. Yeah. Then we have a business meeting after that somewhere. Yeah, so I just thought I should start the vlog now, guys. I look crusty. I'll fix myself up in the car. I'm not used to waking up so early, so and I haven't rested in a while. My face is breaking out like crazy. Hi. Show me how to do it. Yes, darling. Yes. Yes, girl.
I'm going to Tokyo.
Okay. Where are you going?
I'm going to Jersey.
Yes, true. Life is good. Life is great.
It is, darling.
You're flying. You're not driving. You're flying.
What's driving?
What's that? Bye. Love you. Guys, Tabs already made a friend. There she is with a yellow bag.
Hi guys. Welcome back to my channel. It's me. I'm joking, it's Ruth's channel, obviously. But I've been stuck in, let me tell you a story. I've been stuck in Botswana, guys. I feel like I'm not looking at the camera, so I should look that side. I've been stuck in Botswana for, how long have I been here? A whole year. Wow, look at my skin. Like, it's dark. And I'm so happy to be going back to Scotland, to the cold. I'm just happy about that. I am trying to look at the camera. It's so hard, guys. It's very hard, okay? Looking at the lens without looking at myself. Like, I would rather look at myself. But anyway, I'm going back to Scotland. And my girlfriends are here to say goodbye to me. How sweet are they? Say hi, guys. We have like makeup by Ami, wigs slayed by Kwaba. We have cakes, Nami treats. Guys, we are like a business. So if you want some scones, you can get it because I'm leaving. If you want to get your nails done, you can contact this woman here or that woman there. Or if you want your wig laid for the gods, baby girl, let me tell you something. Let me tell you something right now, girl. Let me tell you something. Let me just show you. Let me show you what that. What's that curly saying, girl? What's that curly saying? Let me tell you. And let me tell you, if you have a sweet tooth, baby girl. If you have a sweet tooth. If you have a sweet tooth. I don't know why she didn't continue. Nami treats right there. Nami treats right there. She does everything if you want, baby girl. Just show her. You show her a picture, she does better. Okay. Like, let me tell you this. If you like. Nami Treats is the one, okay? Everybody here had a business. Let me tell you that real quick. Ooh. If you want your braids slayed for the guys, baby girl. Bye. You contact Baka. See, I'm telling you, everybody here, they can work hands, okay? They were God-given hands. God-given hands. They can do it all, okay? You just have to. So anyway, I was told to say hi, but I said the whole thing. But anyway, melanin out. I'm gone. Yo, I love your camera. I could literally just like vlog with this thing all the time. Stop your channel. I don't have a channel. I don't know what these bitches are talking about. Can I swear in this thing? No, I can't. Okay. All right. I don't know why this BITCH girls E. What's going on? Okay, yeah. I don't know what they're talking. Okay, I had a channel. It's there. If you want to, you can find it.
I've subscribed.
I'm gonna go continue it if I'm in UK. Once I get my ring light on, bitch. Because
as if you're not going. What do you mean? Where are you going?
I mean, I'm forced to continue it. Y'all tell me if I should do it. How about that? Tell me if I should do it. Comment down below. give me some likes in this video and then tell me. Exactly what she said. What Nami Tree said. Okay. No, don't find me on Instagram. I'm not there. I ain't on Instagram, babe. Like, no, I'm not on Instagram just for now. But you will know if I'm on Instagram, that's for sure. I slay it down there. That's where I slay. You know what I'm saying? All of them slaying other things, but that's where I slay on Instagram. Do you see my braids right now? Oh, when I pee, I literally have to do this. Because they go inside the toilet. That's how deep it is. Like, literally. Shh, disclaimer. How long did they take? They took 3 hours. Patience, if you want to get these braids done, Patience, the main mall, I was about to say main deck. In main mall will hook you up. But you don't need to go to Patience because Bagan is here, okay? Bagan, look at this braid. Look at this. Look at all this side. This is what she did, okay? She's really good at everything. Everybody here has a business. And you guys just do the right things.
Basically, their business names.
All their business names will be underneath this video. Okay, guys, nice we out. I gotta go board now.
Yes. Peace out.
Bye.
Wait, do that again. Have you keep your hands below on a head? Show me. And I do it. But you make it look pretty. Period. Poo. Hi guys. Welcome to my first video. Girl, I don't know. It's from Center. So, can you see? What is that? Okay, open. Let's see. Open it. Open it. Open it. Open it. Open. 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 It is? I want to see.
Wait.
Wait.
See?
What?
Wow. It's a skating shoes.
Wow.
My skating shoes. I'm gonna try them.
Do you like them? Of course. What do you mean, of course?
Of course I let them down.
Okay.